Choo-choo! Here comes the ABC train, riding through sunshine and rain. A is for apple, red and sweet, sitting on a tree with a smiley beat. B is for ball that bounces on your feet, it giggles and rolls with rhythm and beat. C is for cat, soft and small, it purrs and cuddles beside the wall. D is for drum that goes boom for all, making toy animals cheer in the hall. E is for elephant, big and strong, spraying rainbow water all day long. F is for frog that hops along, croaking on lily pads with a happy song. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat, nibbling leaves high in the heat. H is for hat you wear in the street, spinning with joy on a child so sweet. I is for igloo, cold and white, where penguins play under stars so bright. J is for jelly, a yummy delight, jiggling and wiggling left and right. K is for kite, flying up high, looping and dancing in the sky. L is for lion with a loud roar in the sky, standing proud as clouds float by. M is for moon that glows so bright, watching over dreams every night. N is for nest tucked in just right, baby birds chirping at morning light. O is for octopus with arms 8, dancing in the sea, isn't that great? P is for panda who loves to eat, munching bamboo in a cozy seat. Q is for queen with a crown so neat, waving kindly from her royal seat. R is for rainbow up so high, painting colors across the sky. S is for sun that shines in the sky, warming the world as clouds pass by. T is for turtle, slow but wise, walking through flowers under pastel skies. U is for umbrella in the rain, twirling around again and again. V is for violin, playing a tune, soft as the stars and bright as the moon. W is for whale who sings at noon, blowing bubble songs beneath the lagoon. X is for xylophone, bright and bold, music and colors, magic to hold. Y is for yo-yo, going down and high, spinning and zooming up to the sky. Z is for zebra with black and white stripe, prancing proudly with playful hype.